Hey, Sam from 3D here. In this beautiful short video, I will show you our beautiful pack 3D cartoon mascots. You can see them here. Inside, right now, they are lion, zebra, bull, wolf, and business bull. But in the future, it can grow up, so definitely always go to our page, which is down in the description. You will get the most up-to-date information. Okay, so let me show you what is inside. There are like every 3D mascot is in different formats like FBX, GLB, OBJ, PNG files, but also with the source files because everything was done in Blender. And it's fully rigged, so it has facial rig, body rig, it has 30 different poses. Wolf also have some animations, and yeah, it's pretty nice because you can change the clothes. You can see that it has variety of the clothes. So it's modular. What you can see here, it's ready with a beautiful mesh, but I will show you also in the Blender. It's fully rigged, low squat mesh and so on. It's super high quality. Here you can see like all the poses, like it's which are there. And you can see that basically like one character has various clothes, which you can see also here. And all these clothes are also used for zebra, lion, and so on and so forth. You can see it here that every one of them is modular. Every one of them has various clothes. If you go to check them out, you can see that if I click here to purchase, but I will go to the Gumroad page and you can see what is inside, right? You see various clothes, and also like the body is inside, which you can 3D print, play, and whatever you decide. Let's jump here because I want to give you the option to order custom 3D mascot, which we did a lot of 3D mascots for brands. You can use them as a 3D print version, so you can 3D print it. It's pretty cool. You can change the parts, you can make poses, you can make the 3D animations, you can use it in AR, VR, you can make AR kit blend shapes, so meaning like it will map what you are talking, like in the video, and you will make talking head your mascot. So it can be used with AI in different languages, and there are so many possibilities what you can do with the mascot, which is nicely prepared for AI, nicely prepared for all the tools like Unity, Blender, Unreal Engine, and so on and so forth, even like Houdini. So yeah, it's definitely one thing which you can order. Just write me at Samuel at 3D.design. You can see here is the contact, or just click email Samuel, meaning me. So okay, yeah, that's it. This is just overview. Let's jump to the files. Okay, so we can see here that we have like 5 mascots, but this is just for now 5 mascots. In the future it can grow based on the demands, and if you request more mascots, we can do it and put it in the pack. So okay, let's jump for example for the bull to see what is inside. Basically it's the same for all mascots, like also there are like additional poses which there are just PNG files which you can use, but then there is basically like FBX, GLB, OBJ materials, and also there are textures inside. So you can easily just take the character and import in different tools like Blender, also Cinema 4D or 3ds Max, and so on and so forth. Also, I will show you some other 3D character. Super briefly, you see that we have the poses. I need to go to the pose mode, and here I can play with the poses. You see, it's pretty cool. Let's turn it off, like all the bones. But this is easy because you can manipulate and play with the pose to make it work for you, and this can be used for 3D animation. It's pretty simple to do that. You can play with that. So yeah, you can always go back and use the pose as a template, and then you can customize it. The next thing which I want to show you, and it's pretty cool, is that when I click on the body, I can change the clothes. And we have like 5 different clothes, construction, jersey, mechanic, and also we have suit, so it can be for the business. The cool thing is that let me show like some pose with the assets, because the assets are pretty nicely done. So let me just zoom in the assets. Okay, so here you can see the details. It's like this is pretty cool, highly detailed, nicely done. It's stylized but in high quality. So let's go back. You can see here. Okay, let me show you also the lion. You can see that we have also the expressions here, which you can easily just change, like blinking the eye, happy, and you can use the pose. You can change the pose here, and you can modify it pretty simply. I'm just moving, with the driver here. Also the lip sync. The lip sync is cool that you can easily make the talking head or talking animation, you know, like E, L, and so on, like L. And yeah, you can use the pose and make the fun. The same thing also with every character is that there's like it has different clothes, and it's working with all the poses, you know. Like it's pretty fun. It's you can just play with it and customize it. If you don't like something, you can delete it and so on and so on. Okay, let's jump to the GLB file. Okay, now I'm just preview the GLB file to show you what is inside, because this is super cool. As you can see, we have, you know, like for the lion, we have all the ARKit blend shapes which you can use, you know, for the animation inside the website or AR VR. And also we have the animation, like this is the rest pose, it's in T-pose. You can easily put it in Mixamo and use all the animations from Mixamo. We did also tutorial on this. So here is all the poses easily changing inside the process. So yeah, it's optimized for the web. Also, you know, textures, models, mesh, and everything is nicely done. And also like the file is pretty small, and also it can be compressed. It was compressed, but also it can be compressed much more if needed. Okay, so let's jump to the FBX file. Okay, I have here the FBX file and just import also the animation, and you can see that all the poses are here in FBX file. It's also rigged, you can see here the bones which you can use and play. Okay, regarding the OBJ files, you can see like it's OBJ for every pose separately. So, you know, if you want to use it, feel free to use it like this. You can 3D print it, play with it. And also there are like MTL file, which is the materials, are also imported. So every pose is separate OBJ file, which, you know, you can easily just import it, just this pose if you want. So, okay, yeah, that was it. If you want to learn more about mascots, definitely in the description you will find the link. It's 3D.design/products/3D models/3D cartoon mascots. But yeah, in the description there is the link. If you have any questions, or if you want to order custom rig, custom modeling, or anything custom mascot, reach out to me at samuel@3D.design. And if you want to learn more about what we do, definitely jump to our page 3D.design. If you want to learn more about our AI 3D generator, go to 3D.design/AI 3D generator. That was it. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.